What is going on, everyone? We are back with another video. We would be upgrading the graphics card of my iBuyPower pre-built computer. I've been looking into doing this for quite some time, so let's see how it goes. The unboxing went very well. To be honest, the graphics card itself is beautiful. It's small. It takes up even less space than the old graphics card that I had in there. I think I had a 2070 Super. So here I'm unplugging some cables of the old one. You gotta unplug that power. Make sure you tug on that pretty hard. After that, you have two bolts to your left side. Make sure you unscrew those, and use a power drill. They were not that hard, so you could pretty much use anything. A screwdriver, power tool, whatever you want to use. The next thing is you have to unhook it from the motherboard. So it just has a little tab on the back. Just pull on that, push it back, and then pull it. It comes right off, super easy. Then you got to use the cable attachment that comes with the graphics card. Make sure you plug those in super tight. Otherwise, if they're not fully connected, it could become a problem. So here I am installing the new graphics card. It comes with the cover. So first off, you attach it to your motherboard. Make sure it clicks in there, so that you don't have any issues. Then you put the screws to your left side. Screw them on there. Like I said, use a power drill. I think it's a little bit easier. Once you do that, the next step is going to be connecting the power to the graphics card. But let's see. There we go, nice and tight. Now we're going with the power to the graphics card. So make sure that you hear that click. Once it's in there, you got to hear that click. And there we go. There's the before. There's the after. Thank you guys for watching.